Hi everyone, I am Jamie from Jamie Delane Watson. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today we're going to be talking about 5 ways that can help you find new photography clients. So let's get started. Tip number 1, get smart with your SEO on your blog. SEO means search engine optimization. And when you name a blog post, don't simply say Sarah and Joe's engagement session. Instead, you're going to want to think, what would a prospective client be searching on Google to find this engagement session? So me in Vancouver, perhaps I would say English Bay Summer Engagement Session, because that's something where other couples, when they might be looking for a photographer, would type into Google, and that would maybe pull up my work. For weddings, SEO naming is quite easy. You're going to want to put the name of the venue in the title. Be very descriptive. Now, perhaps you just didn't like that venue for some reason, or it's not a venue that you would shoot at very often. What you may want to do is name it based on a defining feature of the wedding. So say it had a red and pink theme. You could say a red and pink springtime wedding. Anything that prospective clients, again, would be Googling, and we can put our work in front of their eyes just from their searching. Final tip about search engine optimization, you're going to want to name every image that you upload to your blog post with the same SEO-friendly title. So if it's a Stanley Park engagement session, each image that I upload will be called Stanley Park Engagement Session 01.jpg, 02.jpg, not the couple's name. You can rename this super easy in any program. I recommend Photo Mechanic. Makes it super fast and easy. Tip number 2 is reach out to other vendors and venues in your local market. When you're getting started, I hate this word, but you need to hustle. You need to be reaching out to everybody possible. Write them a personalized email. Ask to take them out for lunch to learn from what they have done in their careers. Offer free headshots. Offer free photos of the venue space. Anything you can possibly do to build a relationship, do that. The third way to find new clients is to install a Facebook like or share plugin on your WordPress blog, which is super simple to do. Then after a client's wedding day or engagement session is blogged, let the client know that if they get 200 likes on the post or 200 shares on the post or 200 comments, whatever you choose, and then when they get 200 likes or 200 shares, they get a free framed print of their favorite photo from the engagement session or wedding day. So not only is the client getting something out of this, but you are getting amazing exposure for just the cost of that one print, because they'll be motivated to share on Facebook and all over the place. Number 4 is to write blog posts that your clients actually want to read. So what do your clients need to know before they work with you? And not even necessarily just you, but any wedding photographer. What kind of posts do brides want to read that would be so helpful that they think, wow, so-and-so knows so much about wedding photography, I need to work with them for my wedding day. So you can start this anytime. Just think step by step. What do clients need to know before the engagement session? What do families need to know before their family portrait session? And then it'll be content that people want to read, they want to share, and they want to pass on to other people. The 5th way to find new clients is to make your current clients your highest priority. I know this sounds like a silly tip, but I mean it so much. If clients are your highest priority, if you're quick on communication, if you're never leaving them hanging, if they never ever question their investment in you, that will be something that they want to talk about and they want to share with their friends. So work on serving the clients you have to the best of your ability, and new work will follow. If you enjoyed these 5 ways to find new clients, I know that you will love my freebie called 50 Ideas for Marketing Your Photography Business. If that sounds like something you want to snag, go to jamiedelanewatson.com/50ideas. There'll also be a link in the video description, and you can download those 50 ideas and get new clients coming to your photography business. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I look forward to chatting with you in the comments soon.